Hey guys, it's special day today because it's our 10th year wedding anniversary, so I'm going to make fruit salad. So I'm graining the kaong. We have two colors, green and red, of course, to make it colorful. And then the Natalie coco, let's drain everything and then add it into our mixing bowl. And after that, we're going to add our coconut meat. Yan, meron po tayong buko. Kunti lang siya kasi ayaw ko ng buko na nasa can. Kaya kunti lang. And then our all-purpose cream. And our sweetened milk or the condensed milk. Then let's mix a little bit. I also going to add our tropical fruits. There you go. And a little bit of evaporated milk. Yum yum. No sugar guys because we already added a sweetened milk. And then I add cheese. I add tidbits of apples and grapes. Lastly is the maize or corn. And transfer it in a container. Chill it first and then serve.